So, when clients are choosing a delivery partner for a battery plant, what should they actually be looking for and how do we prove capability beyond claims?
I'm going to circle back to your first question in that what is good to draw from the four previous series that we've published. There's four clear buckets, areas where projects often struggle. One point I want to make is neither of these buckets is more important than any of the others. And sometimes I find that clients really get excited about one of these buckets and pay a lot of attention to it. For instance, maybe technical risk management, but then don't pay as much attention to another area. And then you'll have a problem that ramifies. Each of them are equally important. The second point I want to make is that they're actually very much interconnected. As I pointed out, you can design a plant perfectly, but if you're not set up for operations and can do that well, you're not going to succeed, or you'll struggle to succeed. Um, but one important aspect is in terms of the interconnectivity. Let me give an example. If we understand that operations is important, why would we not want to get that feedback from operators during the design phase? If there's something that we can flash up there beside a piece of equipment that warns the operator and assists that operator in intervening, that would be good intel to have while you're designing the facility, right? So we find ourselves using people that are focused on operational readiness to inform the design. And so now, like, what does a client want in a partner? Um, you really want to see a partner that has a capability in each of these four buckets. In R&D and can help with scale up and technical risk development, is really good at planning and executing to keep schedule and capital costs intact, is able to comprehensively design things, isn't weak in a certain area, and has a team of advisors who can set up the operation for success. I'm happy to say that Hatch with Intent, and it's because our clients have asked us for this, have assembled a comprehensive team, a team of experts in each of these areas that knows how to work together so that we can properly integrate designs and help clients build successful operations.